Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wilson's tennis racket maker, Amer Sport, is planning to price its $1 billion US initial public offering by the end of January, according to multiple sources, in the first major new share sale in 2024. Britain's annual rate of consumer price inflation sped up for the first time in 10 months in December, rising to 4% from November's more than two-year low of 3.9%, and denting market expectations for an early Bank of England rate cut. In less than a week after going live, spot Bitcoin ETFs have garnered more than $9 billion in trading volume, demonstrating investor interest in the products that were subject to onerous SEC review.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 05:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.